Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make truffles with milk. First, let's gather our ingredients and equipment. You'll need about 1 cup of milk, 8 ounces of your favorite chocolate, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. For equipment, grab a medium saucepan, a heat-proof bowl, and some parchment paper. This simple recipe will guide you through creating approximately 24 delightful truffles, perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself. Now, let's create the heart of our truffles, the ganache. Begin by gently heating 1 cup of milk in a saucepan over medium heat until it just starts to simmer. Next, pour this warm milk over 8 ounces of finely chopped chocolate in a heat-proof bowl. Let it sit for about 1 minute, then stir until the chocolate is completely melted and the mixture is smooth and glossy. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter for a richer, more luxurious texture. Once your ganache is ready, it's time to chill it. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the mixture for at least 2 hours or until it's firm enough to handle. This chilling step is crucial for easy shaping. After chilling, use a small scoop or spoon to portion out about 1 tablespoon of ganache for each truffle. Gently roll these portions between your palms to form smooth, round spheres. Place your perfectly shaped truffles onto a sheet of parchment paper. For the final flourish, let's decorate your delicious truffles. A classic option is to roll them in unsweetened cocoa powder for a beautiful, rich finish. You could also try rolling them in finely chopped nuts, like pistachios or almonds, or even shredded coconut for added texture. For an extra touch of elegance, drizzle a little melted chocolate over them. Store your finished truffles in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week to maintain their freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.